This is, I just bought it. It looks pretty good. But when you started it, it wasn't pumping water. And all of those little things are supposed to be attached to that. And so obviously, when he was told they just serviced it, that wasn't in fact true. Go ahead. Flip prop. Clear. All right.